So I am fairly sure that the video where I brought home meat birds never made it to the editing process, but I'm going to add a clip of them when they were babies. I'm about to move my meat birds out of the house into the meat coop. I just need to go in here in Rosie's territory and get the little water. The small chicks don't need it anymore. Alright, got it. Just need to clean it out because it's nasty. And I'm going to get the meat coop set up before I take the littles out. This is a lot of the weeds that I took out of the garden whenever I was weeding. And a cantaloupe that got a little bit too ripe in the kitchen. They've got lots of treats today, but they're still harassing me for more. That's what they do. Alright, let's go get the meat bird coop set up and get those little nuggets out. So the water jug's filled up and need to find the food container. It's going to be really difficult to move when I need to move it because it's got all kinds of watermelon vines and this is I always have to make sure that I point it the right direction so it doesn't all just spill out. But the watermelon vines are going to cause me a problem because they've all decided to grow through. This one sunflower's growing through. But it's okay. There should be plenty of fresh stuff for the birds to eat. Once I get them in here, I need to go find their food bowl. Slate Bean's pumpkin is trying to leave. This thing is huge. It's going to make mowing hard. I don't see any pumpkins or watermelons. Some flowers. But we'll see what happens. This is just a mess of a garden anyway. But look, aren't they pretty? These are from the last meat birds being wasteful. But we'll go get the meat birds. So this crate is way too crowded. So we're gonna move out today, aren't we, little nuggets? You want to move out? You want to move out? Alright.
I do want to move out.
Let's start picking up the nuggets. And we'll take them out in groups. Come on.
Oh, wait. Oh, I take them.
We're just going to take out half at a time. Come here.
There's some more. Yeah.
All right. Let's get these little birdies out. If they'll come. Come on out. Come on.
It's too grassy. I can't go out. It's too grassy.
Come on. Come on. They'll figure it out. Come on.
Ladybug.
Are you coming?
It's a ladybug. You don't know how to do
The grass is bigger than they are. They're freaking out. They've never been on grass before. Let's go get the others. Shut this door. There we go. Let's go get the others. 5 more left.
Get all of them in here this time.
I'm gonna put them all in here. Come on. Oh. You're okay, quit. They act like they're dying. Oh, quit. Come on. Trust me, you'll like it better outside. Come on. There we go. Last 5 in the box. Crate's empty now. Let's get them out. So this grass is proving to be a little difficult terrain for them, but they'll get it worn down in no time.
I was wearing sick and poop. Do you know that?
Hopefully they can figure out where they're...
Sunflowers.
That's gross. Dean broke that sunflower. That's why it looks like that. Whoops, sorry little guy. You all need help finding your water?
Huh?
They'll get it figured out. We'll come and check on them later.
I'm only feeling in the big grass.
Need to get their shade cloth pulled over And they'll be all set and ready to go.